in this video I'm going to train you on how do we apply the conditional formatting. So for applying the conditional formatting, what I would simply do is I would be selecting the cell range, for example, and then I'll click on the conditional formatting. Then I'll go to the manage rules and create a new rule from here. Use the formula, so equals to this. I'm not going to log the numbers. Equals to SLA. And kindly guys, make sure these are case sensitive, so you're going to make sure like you're going to use the alphabets or words the way you have mentioned. Okay, now after applying that, I'll click on OK, and again I'll click on OK. Okay, so you can see here in the same way, these since these cells are already selected, the other format is like you can click on the new rules equals to, again, sorry, use a formula to determine which cells to format equals to this one. Again, I'm not going to log the number. Equals to breached, close. Okay, so here you can see like since I did not select any color, so what I can simply do is I can go to the manage rules and go here, um edit rule, format. Now since it's a breach, I need to select red, so I'm going to select red for the breach. And you can see, ta-da, whatever are within SLA, it says like within SLA whichever has been breached, so it says the same way. And auto delay logic also you can simply select in that same way. If it says like completed, for example, instead of hold, I'll make it as completed. Okay, so in place of completed you can give green, in place of delayed you can give red, in place of in progress you can either give it like yellow or blue to represent it. So this is your homework, guys. Now coming to the J column, for J I would be showing to you because here we do have a numbers, right? So that's the reason. And here you cannot do this equals to, instead of that the simplest format is highlight the cell rule, greater than. So as you can see here, equals to, sorry, I'll select this, is greater than 0, then that should be green because it is still under progress. Okay, so that way you can apply the format. And again, highlight the cells greater than, if it is greater than 0, then it should be dark green. Yes, so whatever are greater than 0 are coming in a green because they still do have time, right? Or you see me, do they have a time? No. When they do not have a time, what we are going to do, simply go to the manage rules, again go to edit. Here, instead of green you can just go and simply select red since it has crossed the deadline. Okay, in progress. And today, since you see today's date is 17th of December in my system and the deadline was on 15th of December, so that's the reason it's showing as red. But again I'm going to go to this highlight, lesser than 0, then that should be in yellow. So you can see here, again go back to this, um, equals to completed, then that should show in a green. So tada, this is how you're going to format all the cells. Okay, and if you come back tomorrow and if you're going to check, then the dates would change, like pending days would get changed, and whatever are completed as per the status, if you can see here, I'm going to change it to completed, so it says like completed in a green. So this is how the tracker gets auto adjusted if you make any kind of changes from the A to H columns, or maybe A to I column as well. So for example, completed, it should be like 13th, this 25. So there is no delay, no delay. And it says in progress, and it has crossed 3 days of the deadline. And if you move it to the completed status, it changes. So this is how this formula is going to work, guys. Hope you liked it. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also share it with your friends, whoever wants to learn this conditional formatting technique along with the practice file. And also stay tuned for the surprise learning in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.